I think we're able to issue permits for about almost 50 of them. And I can confirm that it is only in Migori where we've been able to visit. The contractor came a close good in the process of excavating for gravels for the completion of the road. I know some agencies had closed the barrow pit. We moved in. We sought the advice of the miners, the mining officers, and we were able to identify the area where the mineral is. And we agreed the contractor will continue extracting gravels, and also the local people from Komire will benefit from the minerals which was found there. So we had an arrangement in which the contractor would work from morning to 3 p.m. Then the local community will get in with their shovels and extract some rich minerals for their benefit from 3 to 6:30. The area, we made arrangements for sanitation facilities. As you can remember, that is the time we had the cholera outbreak in the area. We also agreed the contractor should fence the area to ensure that people are not injured in the process of mining. So